What's going on, everyone? Welcome to our channel. Jay Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode will be just a quick video regarding this channel and regarding about me. So one of the issue that I wanted to put it on out there to be known, like I want to put it on the record because I want it to be clear for the viewers what this channel is all about and what and who I am, so it will be more clear to other viewers for this channel. So how do I afford buying a lot of sneakers in Nike outlet store, Adidas store, or any outlet that I could find sneakers? And it's because I am a reseller. I buy and resell. That's it. And because I like sneakers and it's my passion, so instead buying me a retail price or over the retail price, I buy them so that I could afford my own. So it's just me don't want to spend a lot, or let's just say since I was still young, I wasn't afford to buy me a sneaker. So and when I get a chance to get me my own, I figure out how can I get my own collection, like the Air Jordan Retro collection, and not breaking the bank. So I've already been in reselling, but not in reselling shoes. So I've been checking out YouTube, Google's, learning how to buy or how to get a cheaper one. So one of the story. So funny thing. So the story being behind of me of being passionate in sneakers is started when I still in the Philippines. So from elementary until high school, so I only got a chance to have a branded shoes fourth year high school. So think about that, from elementary to third year high school, I haven't had any branded shoes. So I just wearing a knock of shoes from non-branded location. So and the funny thing is, it wasn't actually for me. This sneaker is the Reebok Pump, and it was meant to be for my father. That my mom bought it for my dad, and my dad doesn't fit on those shoes, so they gave it to me. Lucky me. So I was happy back then, and I was like, wow, I took care of that shoes really. Then also fast forward when I get a chance to be in the US, like I'm almost 6 years here in the US. And also the funny thing is 3 years I've been here in US, and I didn't go to Nike store or Nike outlet store or the Adidas outlet store because the mentality that I thought that they are expensive. So like I've been avoiding them. I've been like going to a different location to buy shoes, like Burlington, Marshalls, Payless, Kohl's, there you go, and Sears, and a different more places. So I've been avoiding Nike outlet store because I thought it was like still expensive. Then there was a day, weekend that, hey, let's just step in and just window shopping. So went there with the family, and like to our surprise, what, they are cheaper, like more cheaper than the other store. Like if you go to the Burlington or other places, I mean the other store, like, they are outdated, like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, that they already got issued. But if the and the outlet store, they are still like from the year that they release it, or not too much long, for the like 2 years maybe tops. But when I found out that they are really cheap, so I said to myself, hey, now I can afford, I can get me my own collections of Air Jordan Retro, try to flip two, and then buy three, flip two, so I can get the other one for free or lesser than the actual price. So I did that for a couple months and it went well. So I thought, ooh, this could be good one to be hustle in. So like buy and sell, and then some of them gonna be on my collection, or some of them just growing up as just reselling. So watch YouTube, read a lot of Googles regarding buying and reselling on Nike outlet store, and I found out there is money to be made. Like some I watch on the YouTube, some of them like it's been like their uh, source of income. So I thought maybe I could do it too. So I tried it, and then August 2017, probably I could insert one of the first buy here. So somewhere here or somewhere here. It is my first buy, somewhere $700 or $800, and I was like shaking that day. I thought, I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't know yet how the research. I look into it. There is money to be made, but still not very sure. But like one of those videos said, that guy, one of the I watched, it's not just watching this video. You have to go there, learn it. So you have to put your feet on the water so you could learn. Then you won't learn if you are not gonna do it. If you're just watching videos, you're not just, it's just nothing. You have to be there, try it. And also he said, "Hey, we have a 30 days return. So if you it won't it won't if you won't sell them for 25 days, return it. So it lesser risk." So I tried it, and then less than 20 days, I flipped that shoe, like two of the shoes. Then, ooh, I saw, wow, now maybe I could buy more. And then there was the where I started this reselling. So I think I got more than 100 so shoes, or 300, 500 shoes in my that I'm reselling. In my collection, probably somewhere 15 to 20, not that much, because I'm trying to uh, build this reselling to a higher level, because I was some of those big time in reselling, and I said I wanted to be like them, but I wanted to be like them in the Philippines or in Asia, because if there's a money to be made here in US, then there could be a money be made in Asia. Also, I've been seeing a lot of videos, because Asian also very passionate in sneakers. So I guess that's about it. So I just wanted to put it on the record that this channel and is going to be moving forward. Some of my videos will be how do I buy, how do I resell, and anything that incorporate with this channels. I guess that would be all. So I hope you learned something new on this video, and I hope you will learn more on the upcoming regarding sneakers. If you wanted to be also in buying or reselling or just have your own collection, buy them cheaper. So I could help out. Just leave a comment down below and please like. So the other viewer will be known on this channel and learn something that I could provide because I've been doing it by myself or just on hands. So you learn and then you could do it your own. So I think that's about it. I hope you learned something. Please leave a comment and thumbs up like this video, and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. Well, guess I'll see you later. Peace.